Hello everyone, welcome to GRE Question of the Day. Today we will discuss a question on 3D figures. As you can see, our today's question is a multiple choice question with one or more than one correct answer. In this question, we are given that the diagonal of the face of a cube is less than 10 root 2 centimeter, and we are asked to find which of the six options given below possibly represent the volume of the cube. Before we move on, I would request all of you to pause this video and try to solve this question on your own. In case you couldn't do it, do not lose hope since I'm here to help you out. Before we move on to the detailed solution, let us take a quick glance at the correct answer. As you can see, the correct answers are options 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That is 27 centimeter cube, 64 centimeter cube, 125 centimeter cube, 476 centimeter cube, and 729 centimeter cube. Now let us see how we arrived at this particular answers. So it is given to us that the diagonal of the face of a cube is less than 10 root 2 centimeter. Let us assume A as the edge of the cube. Thus, the diagonal of the face of a cube will be equal to root over A square plus root A square, that is A root 2. Now, it is given to us that A root 2 is less than 10 root 2. Dividing both sides by root 2, since it is a positive value, we have A must be less than 10. And if we cube both sides, we see that A cube must be less than 1000. Hence, any volume less than 1000 can possibly represent the cube. Thus, we see that options 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 are the correct answers. I hope you guys could follow the solution. In case you couldn't, please pause this video and go through the typed solution here. With this, we come to an end of our today's session. We'll be back soon with more videos. Until then, keep working hard. Thank you and all the best.